Hi guys, it's Beauty by Shantae, and I want to let you guys know about this hair. So if you love a smooth hair texture that you can dye and it'll still keep its texture, stay tuned. First of all, Happy New Year's. I'm feeling really blessed to be here. It's 2018 and it's my third year coming up in March living in Los Angeles from Ohio, and for those of you that know me, you know that I'm an extreme family oriented person. I get homesick a lot. I've been facing like a lot of obstacles here just as far as getting further acclimated in my career, and basically thank you all for being patient. I'm back. I'm gonna be releasing more tutorials coming up this upcoming year, giveaways, and just showing love. So if you want to see how I achieve this makeup look, I'll tag the link below so you guys can click on that and hopefully you find something you like. This hair is in inches 18, 20, and 22 by a company out of Virginia called Miss Lily Hair Company. I found this company on Instagram and I reached out to them just wanting to know more about their hair, what type of textures they have, also browsed their website. I was really impressed. I had to try it. I literally don't know what to do with myself right now. I had to put this in the light. When I say this hair is top of the line, look at this. Shout out to Sweet Lily's Hair Company in Virginia. First of all, this hair is amazing. I'm not just saying this. I've tried a bunch of different hair companies. This is the only hair that I have purchased that I personally dyed and seeing the wave pattern come back to life. As you can see, the hair straightened very well. It's super soft to touch. There is minimal shedding, but what do you expect after you bleach hair and blow dry it? And I did have this hair cut. We did somewhat of a blunt cut, but I just liked the clean look and how clean it looks whenever I do straighten it. Super pleased with this hair. I will be purchasing it again. I will tag the link below to the actual hair company. Keep your options open because there are some hidden jewels out there. It's not a huge company, but honestly, they have one of the best hair textures I've ever felt. And I'm super excited. I will be installing this again, hopefully in like a shorter, I'm thinking a shorter hairstyle, and I'm thinking about taking the color up a couple notches just so it can be a little bit brighter. Also, the hair curls very well. I have curled this hair a few times and it has held the curl all day. It didn't have a bad smell when I opened the packaging either. It does, as you can see, blend perfectly with my hair. I do have some leave out. I did not purchase a closure, although they do provide them. But this is my leave out, and as you can see, it blends perfectly. So like I said, I'm not complaining about the color, but some parts, like in the front, I would like to see a little bit lighter. But there's still time to do that. Like I said, I will be installing this bomb ass hair again. Honestly, truly, like, I'm amazed. I was in the shower washing it and I'm like, is this silk? Honestly, I'm not even lying, y'all. This hair is the bomb. Okay. Okay. Super blendable. I feel like you can blend this with any hair texture as long as you straighten it, or of course make sure that whatever curl pattern you're going for actually matches with your leave out. Even times when I forget to like wrap it or put a bonnet on, whatever you choose, I've slept with this hair with nothing over it, no type of silk pillow or anything, and it still has that very soft texture. Shed too much. It's pretty moderate. So here you have about 3 full strands. I don't have any complaints. I don't even know why I don't even have any. Are we done? I don't have any more complaints. Are we done here? We're done. Okay, thank you. On about this hair company, while I'm sitting here talking, y'all could be looking at the website. Go ahead, go, because you will thank me later. Honestly, thank me later. So this is everything that I use to dye this hair. I am by no means a professional, but I know a little bit about what I'm doing. So if you would like to see how I dyed this hair or some similar, please like and subscribe. Talk to you guys soon.
Circumstances, yeah, made us. Whoa. Basquiat paintings in my palace. Stock going up like the Nasdaq. Please don't ever treat me like I'm average. Life's about growing.